Hello and welcome to a new BIZTALKS episode by Panasonic Connect Europe. My name is Vanessa Lovrich. Recently, Panasonic and ORIX Corporation announced jointly their official strategic capital partnership agreement. It is planned that a new company will start operations of its projector and display business around the world by April 1st this year. A very important announcement which has been very well received in the market. Today, we have invited to BIZTALKS Markus Jahn, the Head of Media Entertainment Business Division at Panasonic Connect Europe, to explain the details and how this move will drive innovation and growth in the tech industry. Also, we have recorded some first and positive feedback from our customers. Hello Jan. Today we want to talk about the recent news that had been announced into the market that Panasonic is going to spin off the Visual Systems division as a new company on the market. Can you explain us about the background and what has been decided?
Thank you, Vanessa. Yes, I believe I can. Back in July, it was indeed announced that Panasonic Connect and ORIX have entered into a capital partner agreement focused on the professional projector and display business. A new company is set to be established on April 1st, 2025, with an additional launch in Europe on October 1st, 2025. ORIX will own 80% of the new company, while Panasonic Connect will hold the remaining 20%. Founded in 1964, ORIX is a globally diverse corporate group involved in various business sectors, including corporate financial services, real estate, industrial and ICT equipment, automobile services, investments and concessions, environmental and energy solutions, as well as aircraft and ships. It is important to note that the new company will retain the Panasonic name, and all products and services will continue to carry the Panasonic brand.
From the beginning, I've seen no negative signs in the new setup of the new Panasonic company.
It is good to see that ORIX is coming on board to take over responsibilities, because it shows to us ORIX is believing that this market segment has the potential to grow.
I think the new company will be a strong partner in the market because of the new financial capital, and that's very important when you have to develop new products.
Really, I don't think it changes a huge amount from the current way that we're working with Panasonic. I talk to Carlton when I want to get projectors, and I talk to Alan when I want to get cameras. I don't think a lot changes.
I understand ORIX has identified the AV market as a dynamic market with a lot of growth potential. So why is Panasonic not exploiting this potential on its own?
Well, Vanessa, let me try to explain that in a very short way. Today, Panasonic Holding, consisting of 8 operating companies, is undergoing a significant portfolio optimization process, during which strategic priorities are being redefined. For instance, our parent company, Panasonic Connect, has chosen to concentrate on supply chain solutions, making substantial investments in the acquisition of software companies, for example, Blue Yonder, 4 years ago. Other companies within Panasonic Holding are focusing on electric vehicle batteries or heating and cooling solutions. For that reason, I am very optimistic about having ORIX as a strong new capital partner, as this will ensure the necessary long-term investments in our product roadmap and software and solutions business, ultimately allowing us to defend and expand our position in the market.
By working with Panasonic, we appreciate the exchange of technology, innovation, and the way of planning the future together.
Because I think it's only a strength when another investment company sees future and potential in a company. So from that point of view, I've always been open and positive.
I mean, I'm hoping things continue the way they have. Maybe the Panasonic visual division has a bit more autonomy. I don't know. I mean, the Panasonic staff seem to be reasonably comfortable with the future. So, if they're happy, I'm happy.
Für uns ist der Hersteller Panasonic natürlich nicht nur dominiert durch die Projektoren, sondern da gibt es ja viele andere Sachen. Also auch das Thema Displays haben wir da im Auge und wir bleiben da auf jeden Fall dran.
So, when you talk about technology roadmap and required changes, what do you have in mind and what direction can we expect to see?
Vanessa, our focus is on two key areas. On the one hand, it is about strengthening our core product business, which is integral to our identity, and expanding our software solutions to better serve our customers' workflows. Let me just give you one example. At ISE 2025 in February, we will unveil our new lineup of direct view LED displays, all equipped with SDM slots to ensure a complete IP flow for our customers' applications. But we are also committed to enhancing our software offerings, enabling our customers to manage their installations in the most efficient way, either through pure remote monitoring or real-time image adjustments. I would like to highlight that the capital partnership with ORIX includes also the transfer of 2 Panasonic factories, as well as our research and development team, as well as our quality assurance and service competencies. Our customers can rest assured, and I believe that is very important, that all new products and solutions will meet the same high-quality standards that have established our brand as a leader in the AV industry.
So, we see some strong reasons for this step on the supply and technology side. Let's talk about the sales and marketing. As mentioned, with the transfer is included the customer base of Panasonic Visual Systems, covering the rental and staging market, or system integrators serving the museum, education, or corporate meeting markets. What implications do you see here?
Vanessa, let me focus on one point as an answer to your question. The new company will have regional responsibility covering not only Europe, but also the Middle East and Africa. For the first time, we will be able to offer our customers consistent service across borders, from pre-sales to after-sales support. We anticipate strong growth in our core business due to this expansion of regional responsibility, particularly in the Middle East, especially in the area of live entertainment and immersive applications. Our mission is to support our customers across Europe, the Middle East and Africa in the creation, the processing, the visualization and operation of content.
Very good. So, Visual Systems will not only supply the hardware required to reproduce a large image, but will take care and support the whole workflow across process in doing that. But what's in it for a customer that has been a partner of Panasonic Visual Systems before?
Vanessa, at this stage, I sincerely believe the most important aspect for our customers, for our existing customers, is the commitment of our new shareholder to the continuity of our business and strategy. This includes a strong commitment to high brightness projection, but also enhancing our software capabilities and strengthening our customer relationships in Europe, the Middle East and Africa.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Jan, for being with us today.
Thank you, Vanessa. My pleasure.